My name is Tracy Evans. I'm a financial controller and also company secretary for Forest Traffic Services Limited. Forest Traffic is a traffic management company that offers traffic management solutions and services predominantly to the construction industry. Due to the nature of our business, we print high volumes of technical material and training material in colour. As our business grew, we started to face challenges of speed and quality. We began to see an increased need for scanning functionality, scan to be able to send and to scan to be able to store on our system.
My name's Kevin Bird, I'm the Sales Director at Solutions in Technology Limited. We've got a purpose-built office in South Wales, and then we've got two other offices. We've got one in Bristol and one in Swansea. Solutions in Technology are 5-star accredited Konica Minolta service partners. To do this, we have to hit certain criteria. The engineers have to be fully trained in all the products, and all our guys go through a constant ongoing training process. At our offices, we store all the spare toners and consumables. So we store all Konica Minolta's genuine toners, parts, IU units, everything's held here. So we met Forest Traffic in 2010, so about 7 years ago. Their objectives were clear. They needed something that was easier to understand from an admin process. It was easier to understand from a functionality process. They needed the right machines in the right places. Ideally, they needed something more cost effective, and if we could meet all those objectives, then it was a win-win for both parties. When we first met, they had a variety of models of machines. They had 4 different leasing companies for their machines. Their service contracts varied, their lease contracts varied in terms of start date and end date. So we looked at all these contracts, the ones that had expired, the ones that were still in with different finance companies. Then we could move them all onto one lease contract. So there was one lease cost and there was one service cost. And this was the same for all the machines across the range of the term. The same start date and the same end date. It's easy for the company to understand, easier for us to understand, and easier to manage. So we changed the scanning process into something far more simplistic. What do you want to do? I want to scan. Where do you want to scan it to? And press start. Key features of the Konica Minolta range is there is a completely uniform product. All the machine displays look the same. So you can go to any device and it looks the same as any other device, so they're easy to use. We also changed it for more productive machines. With Forest Traffic, it wasn't necessarily about the output speed, although the output speed is important. It was about that first copy out time. So instead of having first copy out times 1 to 2 minutes, we changed that to 7 to 8 seconds. That means jobs were produced quickly, so by the time somebody got to go and collect their print job, the print job was already there. Solutions in Technology try and contact all their customers every 6 months. We believe this is the key to our success. We ensure customers are getting the best value out of their product. Not just the best value, but they're getting the best use out of their product. Is there ways they can improve productivity, save money? Is there extra functionality they could benefit from? Is there new technology that they could benefit from?
We now have their machines in all 8 of our depots across all of our regions. By using these machines, we have saved a lot of time and a lot of money. Just to give you an example, in the last 12 months we would probably have spent an additional £13,000 on colour printing compared to using the desktop printers we were using previously. These machines also print more clearly, more quickly, and the scanning function has helped us save on postage and manual archiving.